How to create a QR code for your Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a QR code here for your Facebook. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account, and just click on your profile section over here. And as you can see over here, I am already logged into my account, and I'll just click on this three dot icon over here. And once I click on it, you can see when I scroll down there is a Facebook link of my Facebook account. So just tap on this copy link button over here. So for this process you will need an application called QR or barcode generator. So just tap on this just like this. So once you're inside here, just open the application and click on this hamburger icon over here, and you can see there is a create QR button over here. So just tap on this, and now since we are creating our URL from our QR code from URL, just tap on select URL and just paste the URL which we just copied and click on done. And just like that, you can easily share this QR code with any of the friends just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.